Hello friends, good morning. So it is my next video for open building. So today I explain you how to make it 3D in open building. So some of the 3D commands I will explain you how you can use uh, in open building. So please keep watching and give your feedback if any. And if you want to ask some things, you can directly send your request in chat box, so I will explain you how we can if you have any problem. So let's start. So today I explain you how to make a 3D in open building. So some of the 3D commands I will explain you how you can use. So for basically if you work in open building and any other Bentley software, so first thing what you want to do, like first you set your units. So units, it is very important part for any of the graphical software. Like if you want to work in AutoCAD in and MicroStation and whatever graphical software, so unit is one of the most important part. So which unit you want to work, like matrix and imperial. So imperial is like feet inches and matrix is like meter and millimeters. So for setting the units, you can set by go to file and settings. So here you can see that file settings. So if you click that file and you go here, design file settings, so you can change your unit what you want. So here you can see I have set all the units by default in meters and millimeters. So it is quite important. So first you check what you want to do. Like if you working with any particular project, so they have their specific units. So I think you don't need to change, and you don't need to see every time. But if you want to work with your local and for your learning purpose, so definitely you need to check which unit you want to work, because every project is having their own units. UK projects generally they worked in meter and millimeters, and the US project generally they work in feet inches. So that can be changed as per the project requirement. So you have to check by this feature. So I have set all the units by meters and millimeters. So I close this one and back now. So first thing, which section you want to model. Like you are modeling in architectural, you are modeling in structural, and you are modeling in mechanical. So first thing, what is your basic discipline? So which discipline you are working? So here I can show you by start by first. So architectural. So here you can see these commands are quite common for all the disciplines. And we have some 3D commands here for like wall, curtain wall, doors, windows, objects, casework, slab, roof, and profile. So some of the features I'll explain you in this video. After that I will show you how to make you have to go to structure and how to make beams, columns, and roof for structures. So in architecture, we start with wall. So if I just go to this one, so this tab will open like paste wall. So here you can see in that feature you have wall. If you work in some of the project, so you have by default library here, like which project you are working, so it will give you the full library here. But I have opened this file from my local, so there are no library. And I want to I have to select by whatever I have. So in this section you can see we have some of the walls: default wall, exterior wall, interior wall, demolition wall, brick, CMU, and many features are here. So which type of wall you want to select, you can. So like I select like brick wall. So just I click this one. So width of brick wall, as you know, it is generally 9 inches. So whatever you want to give that parameter, so it will come. So if I select one meter, not 1 meter, that 2.1, and height should be 1 meter. So and if I place like this, and what you can do, you can move or place your wall whatever direction you want, whatever you want. So if I enter this direction, enter this one, so it is freeze this direction. That software automatically freeze. Here you can see that rectangle, we call this AccuDraw. So those people are working in microstation, they know very well how to use AccuDraw. So I'm not going to explain here what is the use and how we can use. So just click this one, so that will freeze this direction. So if here I can see I want to make 10-meter wall. So just write 10 and enter. So here you can see that wall length is 10-meter, and now I want to make 5-meter. Just click, then 10-meter, then just click and enter and close this one. So here you can see our wall has placed like this. And any point of time you can increase or decrease that height. So how you can do, just click your wall and right click it and modify properties. So here you can see that wall height is 1 meter and the width is zero point 0.1. So I need to increase that wall height by 3 meter. So just press 3 and click here. So it can be changed. Select all and go to modify instance data, and now same that 3. So it is coming like this. So this is our normal brick wall. So if you want to check which dimension you have followed, so just check like this. Click pick this one and enter. So here you can see it is zero point 0.1, and that length width will be 5 meters, 5.2, because of that zero point 0.1 and zero point 0.1. So internal dimension will be 5 meter, and that internal length is also 10 meter. So that zero point 0.1 meter wall here. So this is for wall only. So here you can select many type of wall as you want. So just I select default exterior wall. So exterior wall is generally 1, and height whatever you want, 5 meters. Just place like this. So I suggest don't start with 3D. So just if you want to place something, some 3D elements also, so you just go to top plan. So it is better for your understanding and what you are doing. So it is always suggest you have to go to 2D. You have to go to top plan by for making any 3D. Okay, so wall section is almost completed. So you can select whatever you which wall you want to model. Okay, so next will be we start from slab. So every wall, every like every model and everything, every some of the sorry, just a moment. Yeah, so everything, every section we need to cover. So we need to model a slab. So here you can see, if I go to architecture and slab, so we have slab type, slab thickness, slab direction, and reinforcement ratio. So here you can pick what you want. So it is default slab. So you can make composite slab, concrete slab, elevated slab, and slab on grid. So now I need to make concrete slab. So select this one, and slab type you can also define here. That is slab for on grade, floor, raised floor, roof, and whatever you want. So it can be changed as per your project requirement, and whatever library you have in your project, so it can be changed. Thickness you can select. So my slab thickness is zero point 0.1, and it is one way direction. And reinforcement angle you can select here, but it is not required for 3D modeling. Okay, so then let's start. So I need to make my slab on this part. So just click like this, and like this, and right click. So it's coming. So here you can see this slab is coming below the walls. So why it is coming like this? So we skip one feature so that I explain you why it is coming like this. So just delete this slab and go again in slab. So I select the thickness zero point 0.1, one way. So here you can see some of the features are also here. So you can place your slab by boundary, place from is top, base offset you can, overhang you can, side angle you can, and slope it is, because it is a flat slab, so slope features is not enabled. So in previously we select top. So now we need to select bottom. So just go like this point, then this one, and this one. Yeah. So now it is top of the wall. The slab is top of the wall. So it is the features. So sorry, this one is the concrete slab. I'm sorry, and this is our brick wall. So here that one part is covered, our brick wall and slab. So you can rotate which direction you want, whatever direction you want, you can rotate. Now, next feature will be doors and windows. So doors and windows is also very important in every modeling, architectural modeling. So I explain you how to make doors and windows. So just select doors, and here you can see many types of doors are here, and it can be changed as per your project library. So I want to place this type of door, and here you can see that base offset and the front offset is also there, dynamic, and everything is here. So this is the door parameter. So which height and width of door you want to place, you can manipulate from here. So I want to keep door width is 1.2 meters, and height will be it is around 7 feet. So 7 feet you can say 2.1. Okay, so you just place this door like this inside. Yeah, just close this toolbar and rotate it in 3D. Yeah. So here you can see our door is placed and wall has trimmed automatically by the door. I hope it is clear for everyone. So it is very useful when you start 3D model and you want to show something in 3D models. So next section is window. So I place a window here also. So here you can see I have placed in top plan, because I suggest always you need to place your objects, your modeling in every time in top plan, because 3D placing blocks and placing walls and whatever objects, so it is not useful for 3D. Yeah, window. So just go to window, and many types of windows are here. So I want to place this one, first one. So every window is having some base offset. So our wall height is like 5 meters, so we need to place base offset here. So base offset will be around uh, 2 meters or 1.5 meter, and the dimension of frame we can change 2 meter window, and that height of window I need also 2 meter. So it can be you can change whatever you want. So just I have placed like this. So just click your cursor like here, uh, and just click. Yeah. So rotate like this. Yes. So here you can see we have placed our window, but why it is coming like this? Because we have keep 2 meter top offset from the base, and our window height is 4 meter. So you can model easily whatever you want. Okay. So it is only for architectural modeling. So I hope it is clear for everyone. So if you want to place one another window in the direction and or in another direction, so that I can just go to window, and at this time I need to 1 meter, and dimension of window is 1.2 and 2 meters. So just place like this. Yeah, and one door is also need to place. Dimension of door is 1.2. Yeah. Yes. Close the toolbar and rotate it. Yeah. So here you can see our door and window has been placed. Okay friends, so I hope it is clear for everyone, and you can make your 3D model like this. So that is very basic. So in my next video I will explain you how to make foundations and columns and beams for your 3D modeling. So if you have any comment, any concern, so please don't hesitate to come back in chat box. So I will reply as much as possible. Thank you, friend. Thank you. Thank you so much.